Good morning, students. Welcome to our new class. Myself, Manoj Chotia. We are studying plant tissue culture, and today's our topic is important achievement in agriculture and medicinal science related to transgenic plant. First of all, we need to understand what is the transgenic plant. Transgenic plants are generally engineered plants which are produced with additional new qualities by recombination DNA technology or in plant breeding approaches. These are quality are inserted in the offspring generation after generation. Genetically engineered organism are also called GMOs, means genetically modified organism. देखिए ट्रांसजेनिक प्लांट क्या है, इनको अपन जीएमओज भी कह सकते हैं. यहाँ वन मार्क क्वेश्चन फिर बनता है, व्हाट इज फुल फॉर्म ऑफ जीएमओज? जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड ऑर्गेनिज्म. जब हम किसी दूसरे प्लांट का जीन एक प्लांट में ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं या बैक्टीरिया का जीन प्लांट में ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं तो वो प्लांट क्या कहलाते हैं? ट्रांसजेनिक प्लांट. ठीक है. या दो अलग अलग जातियों के जीन को एक जाति में समावेशित कर देते हैं, इंसर्ट कर देते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड transgenic plant, or we can say transgenic plants are genetically engineered plant which are produced with additional new qualities by recombination DNA technology. Now achievements, क्या क्या achievement है? First of all, insult resistance. You have to remember that Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria which is known as BT, Bacillus thuringiensis के BT जीन को, या इसका दूसरा नाम है CRY क्राइजीन. इस क्राइजीन को क्या करते हैं? बेसिलस थुरिंजिनेसिस से प्लांट में ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं. इट वाज आइडेंटिफाइड एट द टाइम व्हेन लार्वा ऑफ 4 moth species were killed by it. It was identified as biopesticide in America in 1961. BT gene found in the bacteria which coded the insertion protein. The gene is also known as क्राइजीन. तो क्राइजीन का ट्रांसफर किस में कर दिया? कॉटन में कर दिया, ब्रिंजल में कर दिया. ठीक है. और उससे क्या होगा कि ये मोथ जब इनके ऊपर आक्रमण करेगा, ठीक है, अटैक करेगा, तो उसकी डेथ हो जाएगी. तो वी कैन ऑब्टेन द पावर ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस बाय ट्रांसफर ऑफ बीटी और क्राइजीन इन कॉटन एंड ब्रिंजल. नेक्स्ट, herbicide resistance. Herbicide resistance, generally most of the herbicides kill the plants by inhibiting the synthesis of essential amino acid such as like glyphosate. Herbicide suppress the activity of enzyme 5-enol pyruvyl cyclimate 3-phosphosynthetase enzyme, means EPSPS. EPSPS. तो यहाँ फुल फॉर्म भी इसकी पूछी जा सकती है. फुल फॉर्म क्या है? 5-enol pyruvyl cyclimate 3-phosphosynthetase. Okay, which are used in synthesis of amino acid gene related to more production of EPS. Gene related to more production of EPS enzyme has been transferred to plant, reduce the effect of glyphosate. Glyphosate के इफेक्ट को रिड्यूस करने के लिए इस जीन को ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं किसमें? प्लांट्स में, ताकि उनमें क्या हो? हर्बिसाइड रेजिस्टेंस क्रिएट हो. नेक्स्ट, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मेल स्टेरिलिटी. in the experiment of genetics we know first activity is emasculation. What is emasculation? Removal of stamens from a bisexual flower is called emasculation. So by the transfer of Barnase gene, you have to remember Barnase gene, and Barnase gene is obtained from Bacillus ameliocufaciens bacteria. From this bacteria Bacillus ameliocufaciens, Barnase gene is obtained, and these Barnase gene reduce the male sterility or improve the male sterility. So the emasculation process can't be do in these plant because these damage the tapetal RNA, so stamens are sterile produced. Next, delay fruit ripening. Flavor sour is the example. You have to remember flavor sour. Flavor sour is the species of tomato, and this tomato species is genetically engineered variety of transgenic tomato produced in America. This variety of tomato persists for a long period as compared to normal tomato. Level of enzyme polyglactoronase which degrade the cell wall. So these enzyme is degenerated by the process of recombinant DNA technology. Next, transgenic plant bioreactor. Genetically modified plants are used as bioreactor. Various types of chemicals are produced from them. In these type of transgenic plant, so biotechnology is called molecular farming. वन मार्क क्वेश्चन एक साल बोर्ड में आया हुआ है, व्हाट इज मोलिकुलर फार्मिंग. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर whenever we obtain secondary metabolite or so many chemicals from plants, then it is called molecular agriculture or molecular farming. From molecular farming, golden rice means the rice which has rich in vitamin source or vitamin A source, super potato, seed protein quality, edible vaccines, important medicines, biodegradable plastics, metabolic engineering are the product which are obtained from the plants by transfer of so many genes in other plants. Next, transgenic plant with transformed floral colors. In Netherlands, the main business of Netherlands is flower, selling flower, and their petunia are grown, but saffron petunia are not grown in that region. So their scientists transfer color conditioning gene in all these plants, and they obtain different types of flowers. In India also, blue, white, red roses are obtaining by transferring from another plants gene. क्या होता है, दूसरे पौधे में जिस कलर के फ्लावर आते हैं, उन फ्लावर को कलर को कंट्रोल करने वाले जीन को दूसरे प्लांट्स में ट्रांसफर करके और डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप के कलर के फ्लावर ऑब्टेन किए जाते हैं. तो ये हो गया अपना ट्रांसजेनिक प्लांट विद ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड फ्लावर कलर्स. नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट two topics are remaining in this chapter. The two topic of this chapter: first, adverse effect of transgenic plant, and second, future prospect of transgenic plant. First of all, I am telling you in point wise adverse effect of transgenic plant. What are the adverse effect of transgenic plant? First of all, transfer of transferred gene naturally to the same species crops and nearby wild species plant. So wild species जो plant है जीन ट्रांसफर करने से उनको क्या होगा, डेंजर होगा. सेकंड, possibilities of emerging of new epidemic disease in highly resistant crop. Third, possibility of allergy in user by usage of products of transgenic plant. Fifth, possibilities of entry of genes of animals, microbe, virus, etc. into important plants. And next, danger of destruction of natural biodiversity and section of a new variety by nature. And last, effect on agriculture practice and imbalance in ecosystem. So these are the adverse effect. Now what is the future prospectus of transgenic plant? क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज है फ्यूचर में? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो नाइट्रोजन फिक्सिंग प्लांट्स है, कौन से है, लेग्यूम. ठीक है, लेग्यूम प्लांट से जीन का ट्रांसफर नॉर्मल जो क्रॉप प्लांट्स है उनमें कर दे जाए. निफ जीन जिसको अपन कहते हैं, तो नॉर्मल प्लांट्स जो है अपने ग्रेन है, राइस है, वो भी क्या करेंगे, नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, फोटोसिंथेसिस में अपने को पता है कि देयर आर two types of plants, C3 and C4, and C4 are more epiphyseal plant. So from C4 plants gene is transferred into C3, then they are also give good products. Next, Development of eco-friendly plants, the plants that have capacity to degenerate the pollutants of air, soil and water. So these types of plants are be made by this technique. And last, desired changes in the germination and anthecession time of vegetable and fruit of get rid of dependent of plant on the season. मतलब सीजन के ऊपर जो उनके रिपनिंग का टाइम डिपेंड करता है, उस टाइम को हम घटा या बढ़ा के और इन्वायरमेंटल कंडीशन से प्लांट्स को बचा सकते हैं. सो दीज आर द फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट ऑफ ट्रांसजेनिक plant. And now our this chapter is completed. Thank you for today's class.